Hey, this is Lady C. I'm coming at you with another video about Yahoo Mail. This time, it has all to do with your storage limits. I currently have a Yahoo Mail Plus account. I was paying $5 a month for that account, which gave me 5 terabytes of storage. The email that I received last week told me things are changing immediately. So instead of getting 5 terabytes of space, I am now going to get 200 gigabytes. That's right. If you have a free account, you were getting 1 terabyte of storage, and now they've changed it to 20 gigabytes. Okay, so what if you're over the limit? Your account stays active, but you will be unable to send or receive emails until you clear space or purchase more storage. So if you're expecting an email and it has not arrived yet, this is the problem that you're having. So if you go to your junk mail thinking, oh my goodness, maybe it went there, that's not what the issue is. The issue is a storage issue. If you are trying to send an email and you can't get it out, that's the reason. This is not a glitch, it's a business shift. Yahoo is tightening storage and selling additional space as a paid upgrade. Now, long-term users with 10 to 15 years may hit their limits much sooner than expected. Now you got your add-on options that they're adding into the plan. Both plans can add extra storage, 100 gigabytes for $1.99 a month and 1 terabyte for $9.99 a month. These changes could reshape how you use Yahoo Mail. So in upcoming videos, I'll cover how to clean out your inbox, how to back up your messages, and information about when it might be time to switch providers. Stay tuned for more information in future videos.